A UN spokesman said Wednesday the China brokered agreement between Saudi Arabia and Iran on the restoration of diplomatic relations represents an opportunity for the resolution of the conflict in Yemen.
This is clearly an opportunity, right? I mean, it is a big deal, to put it in diplomatic terms. We hope that this creates a climate that is conducive to enshrining a political path towards peace in Yemen. We haven't seen major clashes. We've seen greater humanitarian access. We've continued to see civilian flights. These are all good things, but they need to be built upon and built upon quickly.
Earlier on Wednesday, UN Special Envoy for Yemen, Hans Grunberg, welcomed the Saudi-Iran agreement.
Allow me to also take this opportunity to welcome the recent agreement between Saudi Arabia and Iran to resume diplomatic ties, which was facilitated by the People's Republic of China. This dialogue and good neighborly relations are important for the region and for Yemen. The parties must seize the opportunity presented by this regional and international momentum to take decisive steps towards a more peaceful future.
Yemen has been mired in a civil war since late 2014, with Iran-backed Houthi militia storm several northern cities and forced the Saudi-backed Yemeni government out of the capital Sana'a. A Saudi-led military coalition intervened in the Yemeni conflict in 2015 to support the Yemeni government.